2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power liftgate, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.